Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm here to share creative design tutorials. For today's video, I'll show you how to create a card flip animation in Figma. If you are into UI/UX design and Figma animation, make sure to subscribe because I'll be sharing more tutorials like this. First, let's create the frame. I'm changing the color into black. Now add the image in it. I'm adding the Pokemon image here. Add stroke for a clean look. You can also add a border for it. And wrap the frame inside another frame. This will help with the animation later. Duplicate the frame and flip it. Now remove the image and add details in it. I'm adding Pokemon details here. Now you have front and back view of the card. Now select the both frames, create a component set. Go to prototype mode and select the inner frame and add on-click interaction. Set the animation into smart animation with ease in and out. Same for the other frame. That's it. Now we have a working flip card animation. Thank you for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more creative content. Until next time, keep creative and stay inspired. See you in the next video.